Stop scrolling for a second because WhatsApp just rolled out 3 features that are going to change how you do video calls and voice calls. So imagining being able to schedule calls like Zoom, raising your hands without shouting over people, and even reacting with emoji live on calls. Yes, it's here, and I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you why it matters, and I'm going to show you how you can start using it today. Trust me, once you try this, you will wonder how you will ever survive without them. Now I know what you're thinking. WhatsApp is just WhatsApp, right? We only use it for quick chats. You could be wrong, because WhatsApp has quietly become the world's largest calling app. Family, church, groups, office, teams, everybody relies on it. But until now, calls were messy. I mean, you couldn't plan them properly, everyone talks over each other, and even if someone joins lately, they miss the flow. Now, these new features have call scheduling, raising hands, and reactions, and they fix the problems that we've had with WhatsApp calls all along. They make WhatsApp call feel like a proper online meeting, but without the headaches of installing Zoom or Teams. So let's talk about call scheduling. Here's how to schedule a call. Go to your call tab, tap the new create call link, and now you will see an option to schedule. Pick the date, the time, and WhatsApp will automatically generate an invite link that you can send to your group. Everyone gets a reminder when it's time. No excuses for anyone missing family devotions, team meetings, or study sessions, or whatever it is that you want to actually schedule the meetings for. This brings a change to how we interact and how WhatsApp becomes relevant to what we use. And then if we look at raising of hands, which is another feature that they released, in group calls, instead of everyone talking over each other, just tap the little hand icon. People will see a notification that you want to speak, and then the call stays organized. It feels like Zoom, but it's a lighter version because you don't need to install another application. The features are already there on the WhatsApp that you use, and then that actually works for what you want to use it for. So let's look at the final part, which is your reactions. Let's say somebody has a good news and wants to share something with you. You don't have to interrupt the speaker. Just tap and send the love or whatever emoji onto the screen, and it also automatically feels like a feedback, and it makes the call feel alive. So you could have the speaker speaking, and rather than everybody saying, yeah, okay, I get it, this, that, you could just interact by using the emojis that are available, the love emojis. It's just like when you have your YouTube live streams or whatever, and then you're able to tap the love to show that you are actually enjoying what is being said, and you can actually flow about it. Now let's look at how does this fit into your life. So family meetings across different cities, schedule ones, everyone gets a reminder. Church or whatever organization you belong to, you have say a prayer train or a prayer whatever, and you have to organize yourself. You can stay organized and be orderly because people can get to raise their hands when you have points to raise. Office and school presentations, you can actually do that without breaking the flow, keeping everybody organized. It's the small thing that makes this WhatsApp more than just a messaging application, and it's gradually becoming a serious communication tool. 2 important things that I'll mention. Not everybody has this feature already been released to them. They are being released gradually. So if you don't see them, update your WhatsApp or give it a few days or a week or 2, and you should actually see them on your device. And we have to look at the privacy functionality. With this features, all calls are still end-to-end encrypted, which means that not even WhatsApp can listen to your call conversations or to your meetings, provided that they are still operating within their encrypted privacy terms and conditions, right? So here's my challenge to you. Open WhatsApp right now, check if you've got that update. If you do, try scheduling a meeting, and if you don't, comment below no update yet, and I will share tips to speed things up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I'll be covering the next big WhatsApp update as soon as they drop, and you don't want to miss it. One thing I will say before I actually round this up is, while you're actually being able to use WhatsApp as an alternative to Zoom, I think the only con that I've seen so far is the limitation on how many people can actually join a meeting on WhatsApp. But outside of that, I feel that you don't have any other thing to worry about. That's the only con I think I've seen from all the things that WhatsApp has tried to implement. I've spoken about how WhatsApp and Telegram always feels like WhatsApp is playing catch up with Telegram, but I don't think the scheduling issue relates to Telegram, because Telegram has had that side of their application where you can actually use their app for meetings, have a speaker, and it doesn't feel like a Zoom kind of thing. It feels more like, I think, Teams, and then Clubhouse also. It has the feel of Clubhouse, and then an integration of like Google Meets and all of that. So the Telegram feature is actually rich and richer, because it has the opportunity for the speaker to be able to share a screen, and you can use it for like tutorials, meetings, and all of that. But then this is an update to WhatsApp, and this is actually a good one. It's the beginning. We hope that they would actually advance on some of the features that they've actually brought out to the meeting aspect, and then they'll be able to like upgrade and be able to catch up with what Telegram already has in stock. So I believe this would be a major competition to companies like Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, and the rest of them, where everybody's beginning to think we have to be on our toes. And don't also forget that the most important thing is WhatsApp is free. You're not being charged for it. So tell me what you think about this. Will you be trying the meeting functionality on WhatsApp? And if you will be trying it, or if you have tried it, let me know what your experience was like in the comment section. I'll be there to engage with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.